Kirk Holding with the Living Spokane, North Idaho team, and today we're featuring one of our new listings. It's a rancher. What's different about this one is it's a 2020 built rancher, but it feels like a 2026. It's in immaculate condition, really taken care of here. And also, this one is just got tons of upgrades, fully loaded. It's got solid surface counters in the kitchen. You have full tile backsplash, soft close on the drawers there. You get black finish on the hardware. I got tankless hot water, covered patio, water softener. We'll have a complete list of everything that's been upgraded in this, but we'll get to the tour right now.